Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put images on top of videos in the CAPCUT PC. And in here, I've already have this video added into the timeline, and I'm going to put an image on top of this video. So I'm going to just use one from the CAPCUT library. Here, I'm going to just find let's say Christmas and New Year footage and find an image to add into this one. Let's try on a trending one in here. Okay, so I'm going to just find an image from here. You can just choose an image and then you can just, okay, I'm going to add this one for example. Let's download it first. And then if you want to add on top of the video, you can just drag it just like this. Okay, now it will be placed on top of the video. You can always adjust the size, rotate it with the position to how you like it, and also you can adjust the duration. For example, I'm going to match with the videos, and here you can also change the blend mode. Okay, you can all adjust it to how you like it. And if you want to, you can also adjust the opacity just like this. And so that's how you can put an image on top of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.